All right, so we're gonna do a headlight change in an '06 Saturn Vue. I don't know if you can see. So we already did this side. Can't get the hang. I'm not a professional photographer here. Anyways, this is the brand new headlight assembly. This is the old. So reason I'm making a video is that there's not many videos out there. The ones that are out there show you the little secret tab that's hidden. I'll show you on this side. I don't know if I can get down in there. Let's see. Down. Might be hard to see, but there's other videos on it. Anyways, in this little hole here, if I can, so in this little hole right here, down in there's a little tab that needs to be released. That's not necessarily the tricky part. The tricky part is on these assemblies. Let's see if I can't screw this up too. Right here, there's a little lip. There's a little lip in between the headlight and the, I don't know what the heck it is, like the frame on the outside of this thing. So anyways, what's interesting is that on the front of the car, that lip is underneath here. So this bumper actually slides into that lip, which is a pain in the ass. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you in a minute. In order to do that, you got to take these off, this one and this one, remove those two screws, and then there's some little tabs inside the fender that I'll show you to release, and then you can get the assembly out and the new assembly in. All right, so the two screws on the top here come out.
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter, thank you. My assistant, my father, helping me. So 10 millimeter, take them right out. The tab, let me get my screwdriver, that tab that's down in there. Nothing super crazy, just a long, thin screwdriver. Long, thin screwdriver will kind of get it. And again, that's kind of a pain to show on the video, but basically what it is, it's a little plastic tab that's down in there.
Move the wedge. Get your arms in there.
Yeah. So just kind of turn the screwdriver and that'll release it. So now the problem is this right here. Back up. So if you look, the headlight is stuck in here. Now I can obviously pull it out and break this thing. But what I found is taking those out. Take these little screws out, and they'll stay inside there because there's a little retaining clip, so they won't fall out. But that loosens the top part of the bumper. And then along the side, I don't know if you can come over here, Dad, with the camera. Let's take a look here. I'll grab this. So down in there, see those tabs? So those little tabs right here get in here. I'm trying to do this at the same time. So this, pry that out. See how that just popped out? There's another one down there. See if I can show it on. This little pry popped out, and then it's hard to do this here. You take that again. And the bumper assembly loosens up just a little bit. It's not a lot, but it's enough where you can now kind of pull this out a little bit. See how that groove is? And there you go. So see how that kind of set inside of here, and now you're good to go. Again, it doesn't give it a lot of room. It gives it just enough to pop it out. And you just take your lights off as normal. That's pretty simple. If you're doing this job and you don't know how to take light bulbs out, take it to a garage, because you don't know what the heck you're doing if you don't know how to take the light bulbs out. There you go. There's the old assembly, then we'll put the new one in. All right, so we're gonna do take two, because what we found out is what I said earlier. I'm gonna back up just a little bit. Back up just a little bit. There you go. So right here, those little things that I said to loosen up do not hold themselves in place, and we lost one, but we did find it. So anyways, this tab goes down in here. So this goes here. So this little thing sits down in there. That's kind of one of the tricky parts. The other tricky part, obviously, like I was mentioning, is getting this little space here just sit in between this bumper. So making sure that tab is about where it's supposed to be. I was able to do last time. It went in nice and easy. So put this on at a little angle. Give that a little pull. And see how it kind of slides in there, popped in there. Then it's just a matter of getting everything lined up back there, that little tab thing. Takes a little finesse. Probably have to use take one because it went a lot easier, but then again, right there is in place. Make sure everything's good. That lines up, this lines up, that goes in. This is nice and flush, and you can see the bolt holes line right up. And then the only thing you gotta do is give that bumper a little push, that'll snap those back into place, and good to go. Put your two bolts in, and that's it. Should be it. That's how you replace.